Today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can rob banks legally and make $20,000 paydays by doing this in wholesaling real estate. Now, I know that sounds crazy. I know that sounds insane. No, you're not actually stealing from a bank, but what you're basically doing is getting in front of a bank before they auction off the property and wholesale those properties for massive $20,000 paydays. And the best part about it is I'm using this new free website where you can go out here and find those type of properties that are about to hit the auction and wholesale them for big paydays. Before I break down and reveal my secret method on how to do this, do me a favor. Make sure you smash the like button, subscribe, and let's get into it. So we do not have enough time to sugarcoat this. We're gonna get straight into it. What we're doing is wholesaling houses that are about to be foreclosed on, which is considered a pre-foreclosure. Now, during a pre-foreclosure, a bank is suing a homeowner for not paying their mortgage. And depending on how the state works, if it's judicial or non-judicial, they're gonna set the property to be auctioned off, and they advertise to the public that, hey, we're gonna auction off this property. You better start bidding on it on this date. Now, I don't want to get too complicated or specific about this, but if they don't get enough for the property, the bank actually owns it themselves, calls it an REO, and then they try to sell in the MLS and do this whole thing. But you gotta remember, if a property is worth $300,000 and the bank is owed $100,000, so they have 50% equity, right? So house is worth $200,000, but they owe $100,000 in the mortgage, but they stop paying the mortgage. They're just gonna auction off the property, and they could really care less what the property sells for. If it sells for 140, they get their 100 and the seller gets 40. Now, obviously, this is not fair for the seller at all, but they send the mortgage. So what we're doing is getting in front of the foreclosure auction, getting a contract signed with the seller, which is all legal, selling it to a cash buyer, and effectively saving the seller from having a foreclosure on their record, which it could be brutal for the credit, stop them from getting another mortgage or even renting a property out in the future, and potentially they can get more money. And my favorite thing about this is there's an awesome new website that I've been teasing on my Instagram and TikTok that you can start doing right now to start finding these deals. And it's called auction.com. Auction.com is like Zillow for pre-foreclosures, and honestly, it's really cool. And pretty much this is how it works. All the properties that are being foreclosed on will pop up right here. Not every single one, but ones that want to be advertised are going to be on here. So all you have to do is just put your market. So I live in Port St. Lucie, Florida, and all the properties being set to be auctioned off are going to pop up right here. So all I'm going to do is there's 3 specific properties right here. Now, you do not want to go out here and try to wholesale properties that are 2 or 3 weeks from being auctioned off. You want to go way before that. For example, this property right here, yes, it's awesome. It's going to be auctioned off in 7 days. Probably a complete waste of time to be going after a property like that because, I mean, you technically can do a TRO, which is a temporary restraining order to halt the sale, but honestly, not worth it within 7 days. 14 days, if we JV, we could probably do something like that. Florida's actually kind of more difficult to do this. If you're in California, you can easily do it really easy. But okay, scrolling down here, we got one property right here. In 48 days, this house is set and scheduled to be auctioned off. So all we're gonna do is we're gonna take this address right here. We're gonna throw it in this website called cyberbackgroundchecks.com. And we're gonna find the owner of record right here, which is, looks like these people. We're gonna go to view details right here, and we have the owner's phone number right here. We're gonna call these people up and see if they're interested in selling the property. Now, pre-foreclosures are not my favorite list in the world to be calling, but honestly, you have no money, you don't really have much of a choice. But what I really would prefer you do is not to call these people up. I mean, texting on Google Voice would be probably one of my favorites, but all you need is just go to the house and put a sticky note on the property. It's called reverse drawing for dollars, and is by far a million times more effective than calling the seller because guess what? Everyone and their mom knows that this property is going to be auctioned off. And I hate to tell you, but every Joe Schmo that has X Leads or any other wholesaling software probably already knows this is a pre-foreclosure property and it's being publicly advertised online. So literally everyone's calling this person, debt collectors, the whole shebang, just not worth it. I mean, you could text them and honestly get pretty decent results doing that. But what you need to do is do a step above that nobody else is willing to do, which is just put a dang sticky note on their door. And what you should specifically do is if you live in like a bigger area, so if we do like Atlanta, Georgia, right? All we're gonna do is just get a list of all the properties in Atlanta. We're gonna go to filters. We're gonna go by foreclosure home sale format. And then time on auction, you wanna be less than 7 days. Now, this is just one, so this will show you like the newest ones. But okay, we're just gonna do a new max on this. You can choose single family properties. Now I have 18 homes. So 28 days, that's cool, that's cool. These actually look all good to me. So what I'm gonna do is actually just copy all these properties right here. I'm gonna copy all of them right here. I'm gonna go to Google's Gemini because Google's Gemini is the only AI that's powered by Google and they use Google Maps. And all I'm gonna say is, I want to reverse drive for dollars. So put sticky notes on houses for wholesaling. I want to hit all of these houses. Make the most effective route for me if I live in Stone Mountain, Georgia. And we're going to paste the addresses and put it right there. And what we're going to do is have the AI analyze what would be the most effective route for you to be reverse trying for dollars. See, it's connecting to Google Maps. And just like that, it connected and created the most effective map based off of this sequence. So all you really have to do is just go to the dollar store, get a pack of sticky notes, go to Google Voice, get a phone number, and just write on those sticky notes, hey, this is Zach, or your name. I had a quick question about your property. Please give me a call back. And then you're just going to go to all these properties and put a sticky note on the door, and they're effectively going to start calling you. And they're going to say, hey, someone put a sticky note on my house. By the way, you just got in front of a pre-foreclosure seller from auction.com, and I'm pretty sure no other wholesaler who's calling these people up are going to be getting in front of these people. So that's a win. You're just getting in front of a seller that nobody else could get in front of. But they're going to say, well, why do you put a sticky note out? Guys, curiosity killed the cat. And these people are going to be super curious why they put a sticky note on the door. Hey, this is Zach, and either me or my partner put the sticky note on the door, and we were just interested in buying properties in the area. Are you interested in selling it? And then if they're not interested, they'll say no, go screw off, or they'll say, maybe, I get a lot of calls. And then boom, you got in front of them, you got right where they want them, go to the property, get a contract, find a cash buyer, sign up for a nice $20,000 payday, and repeat. Guys, this is actually way more effective than Zillow right now, especially the for sale by owners, and honestly, super, super underrated. Now you can text these sellers, that's great too, but that's just like the tip of the iceberg here. Because if you really want to do the pre-foreclosures like the right way, like running it like a legit business, or if you're somebody who's actually doing wholesaling deals and you want to do this like, hey, I want to do 2 or 3 of these a month, the more effective way is to actually go to the official records from your county. For example, this is Palm Beach. I'm going to go by document type, and I'm just going to pull all the list pendences. And so those are the actual lawsuits that the banks are doing on the people not paying their mortgage. This is right before it even hits auction.com. And we'll do it for the past month. I'm going to press search, and all the list pendences pop up right here. For example here, Quicken Loans is suing this couple, Nicholas and Casey, for this property right here. And if I just read the list pendants, which is the bank suing the seller for not paying their mortgage, all I have to do is just click on this little house right, and it's going to be for the property right here on 4801 Chalanti Road. But pretty much the easiest thing that I would tell you to do is just pull this data, just import it into xleads.com, go to the leads tab, import the file, and you're going to import all the pre-foreclosure properties you found straight from the government. Now, XLeads does have pre-foreclosures, which you can pull. They're right here under the pre-foreclosures filters. I'd rather get it straight from the government because it's going to be about 7 to 10 days faster. And then with XLeads, as you know, there's free unlimited skip tracing, the best quality skip tracing. They're going to pull that data, and then all you're going to do is just go to the conversations tab and start texting these people. Yes, you just tag the property SMS blaster, and you can start text blasting these people automatically straight from the platform. Then you sign with XLeads, use the Dispo tab to find cash buyers, and you're Gucci. Now, if you're really broke and you want to find cash buyers, auction.com also has cash buyers that literally nobody's talking about. But because I'm an OG, I've been wholesaling real estate for over 10 years. I know a lot of ninja tactics I learned from my dad and myself of how to find cash buyers, and auction.com is actually one of the best ways to do this. So if I want to go out here and find cash buyers for, let's say, a pre-foreclosure property I just locked up in Atlanta, Georgia, here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to go to filters, and I'm going to go to auction type, and I'm going to put in-person auction only. Why is this? Well, for example, in 28 days on this property right here in Conyers, Georgia, there's going to be an in-person auction. Wednesday, July 1st. There's a TBD on the auction start time, but I guarantee that they'll tell you all about it. Let's actually go to a more recent one. Okay, so here's one in San Antonio, Texas. So there's going to be an in-person auction on July 7th on Tuesday at 10 a.m. at the Bexar County building right here. And so it's going to be at this location. Guess what you're going to do? You're going to go to the auction in person and see about 15 or 20 people bidding on properties which are pre-foreclosures. But guess what? If there's 20 people and only one property being auctioned off, guess what? That means there's gonna be 19 rich people who are looking to buy distressed real estate for cash buyers that are looking to buy houses. And guess what? They're gonna walk out of that courtroom or that auction house or wherever they're auctioning off, and they're gonna leave sad like, man, I have all this money and I just wanna buy real estate and I just wanna flip, but I didn't get this, man. Guess what? Hey, my name's Zach. What's your name? Oh, hey, I saw you bidding on the property there. Actually, my name's Zach. I'm a wholesaler, and I actually got a property locked up like a couple streets over, and it's about to be foreclosed on in about 30 days. I mean, would you be interested in buying that? Sure. How much? Wait, what? Oh, sure. Your wholesaler, here's $20,000 fee. Boom! Now you found a buyer. It's literally that simple. Auction.com is actually an amazing way to find cash buyers, and literally nobody's talking about it. So the real question is, when are you going to start using Auction.com to find these wholesaling real estate deals completely 100% for free? Well, the answer should be now. Now, some areas are better than others, so check it out and let me know in the comments your results. And if you want to learn more about how to talk to pre-foreclosure sellers, my closing tips and scripts, and exactly how to deal with the pre-foreclosure process and actually talk to the seller, deal with objections, closing them, finding buyers, actually finding other type of government data for wholesaling deals, do me a favor, make sure you join the largest wholesaling real estate courseling community on the planet, freewholesaling.com. So if you go to freewholesaling.com, I'll teach you how to wholesale real estate 100% completely for free. If you got any value from this video, do me a favor, make sure you smash the like button, subscribe, and I'll see you soon. This is Zach Ginn signing out. Have a blessed